This is Avaron temperature and battery alarm panel, specially designed for operation at telecom sites. This equipment works at 48-volt battery. You can see this pair of connectors for terminating DC input. A set of 4 switches is provided, S1, S2 for setting temperature and battery levels, S3, S4 is provided for verifying the settings. 2 presets are provided, one for battery setting, another for temperature. Two set of alarm outputs are provided, one for temperature, another for battery. A 3-pin connector is provided for connecting the temperature sensor. Now let us make temperature setting. For setting, we press S1 and S2 in sequence. Display mode changes. Now we can set the voltage level by rotating the preset. As you can see, we have set a different voltage alarm level. We press S1 again, the reading is locked. And we are back to what we are measuring. Now we press S1 again and we are able to see what is our preset value. So we are viewing two values. One is the voltage which the device is measuring. Second, what is the preset voltage? So in the programming mode, we are able to see the preset voltage. Now let us try to set the temperature again. We go to normal mode. The values are stored. Let's go to programming mode once again. We go to programming mode. We set the temperature. We have set the different temperature value. We press S1 for okaying it. We press S1 twice and the equipment returns into normal mode.